Hi warriors, this is Jaylyn, my legal warrior, and I just wanted to make this segment about how the coronavirus is still impacting our San Diego community. It's probably impacting all the other communities throughout the world, the United States, California, but it really does make your warrior very upset to know that there are rising numbers of victims facing domestic violence. It's very sad. And what can we do about it? This video is for the individuals, men and women and children, that feel like they have no place to go. They don't know what resources to reach out to. They're so terrified of their significant other or their uncle or whoever it might be. It doesn't even have to be somebody that's related to you, but somebody that, maybe is your roommate. You could also file a restraining order against them. They can also subject you to abuse, and you shouldn't have to take it. Breaking these psychological habits, it takes a really strong individual. And the individuals that are subjected to abusive tendencies, you really should reach out to somebody. If you're afraid that if you go somewhere and that other person's going to find you, there are ways to keep your address confidential in the legal system so that you are in fact able to hide from the other person. The only other time that you will need to face them is when you go to court, when you're trying to get a more permanent restraining order against the other party. So how do we get a confidential address? I'm going to share with you this screen. It's a program called Safe at Home through the Secretary of State, and it's been around since 1999, and it is designed to keep addresses confidential that is administered through the Secretary of State. So it is targeted for victims of domestic violence, including stalking, sexual assault, human trafficking, elder and dependent abuse, as well as reproductive health care workers. They receive a first-class certified and registered mail, and it's going to be accepted by anywhere in the superior courts and government agencies. And they will continue to keep the addresses that you have on file confidential, and the other party would not have access to it. So it is a free program. I invite you to check out this website or to Google Safe at Home and learn how to use the resources, the free resources that are available to you. And if you wanted to find out which agencies you can contact, then you can go to whatever county you're in. We selected San Diego because that's where we're based out of. And you can learn about all of these different resources that will probably provide you more than just a confidential address. They'll be able to direct you to shelters and other free resources that's available for you and or your family to assist you through this difficult time. Do not be afraid to ask for help. Do not be afraid to even consult with attorneys about this. Do whatever it is that you need to do to ensure that you are protected at all times from your abuser. All right, legal warriors. I really hope that you share this with friends, family, anywhere on your social media, because you just never know who is needing that peace of mind, this little bit of information, so that they can take that next step in filing a restraining order protecting themselves. Thank you, and I hope that you guys are staying safe, warriors.